What do you mean by skill stacking and how you can utilize this concept in your online coaching business or freelancing business? So, first of all, let's go to the root. People were used to be generalistic in the early ages. Now, slowly they move towards being experts, and we all are looking towards getting help or support from an expert. But with due course of time, there are numerous experts in particular field, in particular domain. Now, how are you going to get differentiated amongst those experts? Here comes the concept of skill stacking, which I normally prefer. So, what do you mean by skill stacking? It is like having one particular expertise with complementary skills to help you give a unique positioning in the market so that the clients are attracted towards you. So, what does it mean? Let's say, for example, you are a coach. Yes, you do have a mentoring and coaching skills, which is your core expertise. But along with that, if you have, let's say, the experience or the knowledge of making funnels or doing ads, copywriting, or other associated uh, expertise which can help your prospects find a one point solution kind of a thing with you, that gives you a unique positioning amongst the experts. So the skill stacking is adding additional skill set to your core expertise which can supplement and complement your core business, and that also helps your audience to analyze and feel that you are a person who has one core skills, but if needed they can be helped through your additional supplementary and complementary skills. So if you can work around this skill stacking, that is gonna give you unique positioning, and that is what is required. That is going to differentiate you from the others amongst the peers, I would say. So there are experts, there are multiple coaches, but if you can combine your expertise along with other skills, as I said, you are going to have a differentiated positioning in the eyes of the audience, and you are also going to help them. So there are two benefits of it. One, you get a unique positioning. Number two, you are also able to help the other mentees in a different perspective along with their core expertise. So they don't need to find another mentor for some associate things which are related to your core business. So from now onwards, start understanding the value of this core skills along with the value stacking in terms of adding more and more skills. So the skill stacking is 1 plus 1, which makes your power as 11, and you also get a unique positioning in the eyes of your audience. So from now onwards, start working to generate and gain more and more skills which will help you have a unique positioning of yourself. That's called skill stacking.